Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two ways to clone an issue within Jira. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two ways to do this, and it depends on what exactly you'd like to do and why. So the first way is a temporary clone. So let's say we are going to click on this card over here, which is initially was called in Jira an issue, and now it is referred to as a work item, and you'll understand why that's important in a second. So from here, once you've opened up this issue or this work item, you're going to go up to the top right hand side, look for actions, it's the three dots, and here you're going to come down and look for clone. Once you've clicked on clone, it'll give you a summary. So it is now given you the word clone so that you can identify that it's cloned. You can also see the assignee and the reporter, and quite simply you can go ahead, you can change that, and then you can click on clone, right? And that's now a one-time clone. This means this will be cloned once and not repetitively. But if you are looking to clone this in an automation, then you can do like so. Up on the top right hand side, there's settings. You're going to come down to system. Once you're in system over here, you're going to go and look for automations. Underneath automations, you'll see global automation. Once you have opened global automation, you can go and click on create rule. And here, create from scratch. The important thing here is we need to add a trigger. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, the word issue or issues have been replaced by the word work. Okay, so if you go down here, you can see here it says work item created. And this work item is actually referring to an issue. So this will be an issue created. So I'm going to use this as an example. So now when an issue or a work item is created, we're going to add a condition as well. So it can be any one of these conditions. You can set it up the way you'd like. Here, you're going to then say next. And you are going to then add a component. You can either do it here or you can click on the add component here. So what happens when a new work item is created? Let us add an action. And quite simply, you can dial in clone in the search bar over here, and you're going to clone that work item. It'll also give you some spaces over here, so you can choose which space it's actually cloned in. The issue type, it'll give you the option to choose an issue type, and then also the summary, so what it's actually being named. So it'll say clone and then the issue summary, so this will be the name of the card or the issue or the work item. Then you can also choose the field to set it to. Okay, so you can just choose through here whatever it is that you'd like, and there's some more options. You can change some of this, and if you don't want to do any of that, you can just go and say next. Now every time you create a new work item in this specific whatever conditions you've created it in, it'll be cloned automatically. I hope this was helpful.